Imagine ranking #1 on Google, without spending a dime on ads. Sounds impossible? It's not. Welcome to the ChatGPT SEO Playbook for 2026. I'm about to reveal exactly how AI can do the heavy lifting for your SEO. But first, have you ever wondered why some sites dominate Google instantly while others struggle for years? It's not luck. It's strategy. And AI is rewriting the rulebook. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to dominate your niche. Stick with me because this changes everything. Step 1. Keyword goldmines. Most marketers chase keywords blindly. But ChatGPT can predict search trends before they even hit mainstream. Imagine knowing what people will search next week, today. That's your competitive advantage. Step 2. Content that converts. Google doesn't just rank keywords anymore. It ranks answers that satisfy intent. ChatGPT can write blog posts, landing pages, and product descriptions that tick every box. And it's not generic fluff. Every piece can be tailored to engage humans and algorithms. Curious how to generate these keywords? Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me the top 50 trending questions in your niche for 2026." Boom, you've got your starting point. Next, structure your content like a pro. Use the skyscraper method, but faster. Find the top article in your niche. Feed it to ChatGPT. Ask for a better, longer, fully optimized version. You now have content that outranks in half the time. Step 3. Backlinks made easy. Forget cold emailing dozens of sites. ChatGPT drafts persuasive outreach emails in seconds. Personalized, professional, and convincing. It's like having a full-time link building team in your pocket. Here's a simple trick. Use ChatGPT to identify unlinked mentions of your brand or niche. Reach out with value. Backlinks start rolling in naturally. Step 4. Technical SEO without coding. Page speed, optimized. Meta tags, perfectly crafted. Internal linking, automated suggestions. ChatGPT can audit your site and point out exactly what to fix. Ever felt stuck on topic ideas? ChatGPT doesn't just give titles. It builds content calendars for months ahead. No guesswork, pure strategy. Here's a secret. I can even generate schema markup for Google rich snippets. That means your content can show up with stars, FAQs, and even images. All automated. Step 5. Voice and video SEO. Google isn't just text anymore. Podcasts, YouTube, short-form content, all searchable. ChatGPT scripts, optimizes, and even suggests keywords for video content. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Let's talk analytics. I can generate SEO dashboards showing what's working and what's not. No more spreadsheets that confuse you. Just actionable insights. Step 6. AI-powered competitor research. Instead of manually tracking competitors, ChatGPT identifies their content gaps, backlink sources, and ranking weaknesses. Now you know exactly where to attack. Step 7. Local SEO domination. Optimizing for near me searches? ChatGPT can create hundreds of unique local landing pages. Each page hyper-targeted to neighborhoods, cities, or regions. Simple trick. Merge ChatGPT outputs with Google Maps data. Boom, local search rankings skyrocketing. Step 8. Automated SEO reporting. Forget manual reports. ChatGPT generates weekly reports in plain English. You can send clients or track your own performance without stress. Step 9. Content refresh and updates. Google rewards fresh content. ChatGPT can rewrite old posts, update stats, and make them current. Step 10. Long-tail domination. Don't compete with giants on generic keywords. Find hundreds of long-tail queries with ChatGPT. Create micro-content to dominate every niche fragment. Hack. Combine with Google Trends API for predictive insights. Step 11. Internal linking power play. ChatGPT can suggest exact link placement to boost authority. Sites with smart internal linking rank faster and stay ranked longer. Step 12. Automation for scaling. Once templates are ready, generate dozens of optimized posts weekly. Content creation now becomes a machine, not a bottleneck. And here's the kicker. ChatGPT can even draft ad copy for SEO-focused PPC campaigns. Align organic and paid traffic effortlessly. Step 13. Intent-based targeting. I can analyze SERPs to determine exact search intent. Then generate content that matches that intent. Step 14. AI SEO calendar. Plan content around seasonal trends, holidays, and emerging topics. ChatGPT makes it simple, automated, and efficient. Step 15. Voice search optimization. People speak differently than they type. ChatGPT can rewrite your content for voice search queries. Step 16. Semantic SEO mastery. Google understands context, not just keywords. ChatGPT ensures your content covers all related concepts naturally. Step 17. Multi-language SEO. Expanding internationally? AI translates, localizes, and optimizes your content for multiple languages. Step 18. Center optimization. ChatGPT can generate meta titles and descriptions designed to boost clicks. Step 19. FAQ and rich content. Automate FAQ creation with AI. Google loves structured content. Users love answers. Step 20. AI-powered topic clusters. Build authority by grouping content into clusters. ChatGPT generates pillar pages and satellite content. Step 21. Content gap exploitation. AI identifies missing questions competitors haven't answered. You fill them, rank faster. Step 22. Predictive SEO. Forecast traffic trends before they happen. Move first, win first. Step 23. I and EAT signals. Expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. I can generate content supporting credibility signals. Step 24. SERP feature capture. Featured snippets, people also ask, image packs, AI structures content to capture them all. Step 25. Continuous optimization. AI suggests updates every week based on performance. Your content evolves automatically. Step 26. Automation plus human touch. AI writes, humans polish. Perfect blend of speed and quality. Step 27. SEO risk management. AI predicts penalty risks before Google hits. Prevent drops, maintain ranking. Step 28. Link-worthy content. ChatGPT can brainstorm viral content hooks that attract backlinks naturally. Step 29. Content repurposing. Blog right pointing arrow video right pointing arrow podcast right pointing arrow email. AI handles all variations. Step 30. The $100 tool. I'm about to show the exact tool I used to generate $100 in a day. But first, integrate AI with your CMS. Automate posting. Schedule social snippets. SEO content machine equals activated. Step 31. AI-powered SERP tracking. Track all keywords automatically. Get alerts for rank changes. Step 32. Content personalization. I can tweak content based on user segments. Personalized experience equals higher dwell time. Step 33. Link prospecting at scale, hundreds of sites analyzed in seconds. ChatGPT generates outreach strategy automatically. Step 34. Content audit, identify underperforming pages instantly. I suggests rework or merge opportunities. Step 35. Automation of SEO reports, clients get easy to understand dashboards. No heavy lifting. Step 36. Internal SEO SOPs, AI creates standard operating procedures for your team. Everyone follows the same high-quality workflow. Step 37. Competitor alert system, get notified when competitors publish new content. React faster, outrank smarter. Step 38. AI-powered meta testing, test titles, descriptions, headers automatically. Find the best performing combo without guesswork. Step 39. User engagement signals, AI monitors bounce rate, time on page, scroll depth. Suggests improvements for engagement. Step 40. Scaling SEO campaigns, generate 100+ pages per month with AI. Fully optimized, fully automated. Step 41. Hyper niche targeting, target ultra-specific queries your competitors ignore. Step 42. Content expansion, AI identifies which content needs depth for rankings. Step 43. Automated outbound marketing, generate emails, social posts, and video scripts seamlessly. Step 44. Link reclamation, identify lost backlinks and recover them automatically. Step 45. SERP feature dominance, featured snippets, people also ask, knowledge panels. AI optimizes for them all. Step 46. AI predicts trend shifts, early adoption equals massive competitive advantage. Step 47. Continuous SEO loop, create right pointing arrow, optimize right pointing arrow, update right pointing arrow, repeat. Fully automated cycle. Step 48. Content personalization at scale, deliver unique content experiences for every segment. Step 49. Voice and chat integration, AI preps content for chatbots and voice assistants. Step 50. The $100 tool reveal, this tool scrapes trending queries, drafts content, and schedules it. I made $100 testing it in one day. You can replicate in minutes. Step 51. Next level automation, stack multiple AI tools for SEO domination. Step 52. Human review, always refine AI outputs for style and accuracy. Step 53. SEO performance dashboard, AI aggregates analytics from all sources. One screen, total clarity. Step 54. Advanced SERP tracking, track competitors and keywords with predictive insights. Step 55. Automated outreach, email, LinkedIn, content collaborations, AI handles. Step 56. Content refresh automation, update stats, improve readability, boost rankings. Step 57. Hyperlocal strategy, local pages, citations, maps integration. Step 58. Voice and video SEO script, AI videos and podcasts optimized for search. Step 59. Long-term scaling, 12 months of content mapped, ready to deploy. Step 60. AI SEO mindset. Think like Google, predict like AI, execute like a pro. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Final step. Review and optimize weekly. I flags issues. You tweak. Repeat. Step 61. The automation edge, more output, less manual work. Better rankings, faster. Step 62. Competitor analysis, always know what's working in your niche. Step 63. The authority boost, AI suggests content upgrades to signal expertise. Step 64. The $100 tool reminder, you saw how simple it is. That's the same method I scale every SEO project. Step 65. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Hit subscribe and click the bell. I drop AI money-making tools every week. Stay ahead of the curve. Step 66. Master this playbook. Your rankings, traffic, and revenue will thank you. Step 67. Reinforce scarcity. AI is changing SEO fast. The early adopters win. Be one of them.